Hi guys, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Matthew and I'm here to show you around this 2013 Holden Commodore SSV. As you can see, sorry, it is the Redline series, but as you can see, it is in the stunning black, and you do have that stunning chrome garnish as well around your blacked out grilling. You do have that iconic Holden logo in the centre of that top grilling, and down the bottom you've got your parking sensors that are colour matched into the bumper, and you do have your fog lights and daytime running lights as well. Working our way around to our first alloy wheel, as you can see it is chrome, little bit of gutter rash there, but presents in great condition for the age of the vehicle. You do have the also have the high performance Brembo brakes in there as well. You got your vent integrated into your side fender with your indicator as well. Blacked out side mirrors as well, and you do have the chrome that runs all the way through this vehicle, including around the windows, and you've got that in the door handles as well. Do you have proximity key on every single door handle, so one click close, one click unlock. SS badging down the bottom there. And looking at our second alloy wheel, presents in great condition, no marking whatsoever, and you do have heaps of tread left on those tyres as well. Working our way around to the back of the vehicle, which is my favourite part of the Commodore. You do have that iconic badge in the centre of that. It is the SSV Redline series, so it does have the red V. You do have the dual twin tip exhausts, and you do have reverse parking sensors and reverse parking camera on this as well. Tow bar's already been fitted, and we'll just open up the boot and have a look inside. Got plenty of space in there that the Commodores are known for. And just lifting this up, have a look underneath. You do have a full-size spare in there as well that hasn't been used. It's still got the stickers on it. Closing this up, working our way around to the passenger side of the vehicle, to our third alloy wheel. Again, presents in great condition and no markings on there whatsoever. Being a black car, you would see things that stand out. There's just being picky. There is a little dent in there, but being right on the edge of the door isn't something that you can easily get fixed without replacing the door. Moving our way down, no scratches to point out or any dents or marks that need to be pointed out. But looking at our fourth alloy wheel, this is usually the one that hits the gutter the most, but no rashing on there whatsoever, heaps of tread. What we're going to do next is we're going to pop the bonnet and check out the engine underneath. Alright guys, just popped the bonnet on this Holden Commodore. It does have an 8-cylinder 6-litre petrol engine. It is a 6-speed automatic. This car does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, and it does have 6 airbags. This engine does produce 260 kilowatts of power, 517 newton meters of torque. It does have a 71-litre petrol tank. You can run it on 91, and you also can run it on E85 as well. Yeah, your average fuel consumption in this is about 11.8 litres per 100 kilometres. You get roughly about 600 k's to the tank of fuel.